Hello friends, this is Neha Junsu. Welcome to my channel. Today we are reviewing Lahore Broast's 1 kg broasted fish. I have ordered from their Iqbal town branch because the branch near my house doesn't do home deliveries. The order comes packed in 2 card boxes and a chutney packed separately. A rubber band is on each box to prevent the contents of box from falling. The paper is filled with oil, oh my god. Since I have ordered 1 kg, the order is half in this box and half in the other one. There are a few fries too with it. The fish is very crispy on the outside. They add black pepper too on the outside layer, which I love. This particular cutlet has more fish fat than the actual meat, fish fat. They have coated this with lots of crispy layer to hide the fat. Look how the real meat part looks. This is the chutney it comes with and I don't ever eat it. This is the second box, guys, that has medium roast fish pieces. By the way, guys, this fish is boneless, so you can eat it without worrying about little bones. This part again is filled with fish fat more, which I'm not a fan of. Plus, this particular order is very oily. I will rate it 2 by 5. There is always inconsistency in their orders. I have been served really good orders too in the past.